Number 4 says student enrollment at a local school is concerning the community because the number of students has dropped to 504, which is a 20% decrease from the previous year. If we are using a 20% decrease, we need to subtract 20% from 100 to figure out, well, what percent is left? Oops, and I already told you the answer. It should say 80. We're using 80%. Okay? And remember, our percents are always out of 100. And now we have to figure out, okay, it said that 504 was, it dropped to 504 from the previous year. So it dropped to 504, which means 504 is the smaller amount. So it gets paired up with the smaller percentage. It gets lined up with the 80 instead of the 100. And we put our X down here. Cross multiply and divide. You can use this in a calculator if you need to. It's the same process we've been doing. And you should get that there were 630 students last year. So 630 students last year.